I know by now, I've shown you guys so many Teslas that it seems like I'm showing you the same ones, but believe me, this is another black Model 3 we have in. We're doing a lot of cool things with this one. This is gonna be a project. We're gonna be vinyl wrapping the entire car. What else are we doing?
Wrap, wheel spacers, center console wrap, but it's not just like a wrap on the exterior. We're doing like really cool like design.
Right. I don't want to tell them yet. Don't tell them yet. Okay.
I didn't probably.
This is probably gonna be one of the more intensive Model 3 projects we've done. I'm really excited about this one because it's gonna be really creative and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my God. We're putting spacers on the Model 3, filming the rearview mirror at Tyler, installing it. I'm in the car, having to press on the brakes so I can't get out. Alright, so right now we got the spacer in hand. Yep, that's it. That's it.
Just figured I'd let the people see.
You're that chaperone at the high school dance? That is like the weirdo.
Wilding out, only in an old man way.
So we got done putting the spacers on the Model 3. What do you think, Dustin?
It's amazing.
Can you say that with a little bit more enthusiasm for me?
It's amazing.
That'll do. For those of you who are interested in adding spacers to your stock wheels, this is what it does. As you know, the stock wheels, they sit in like crazy. But now if you look, the tire is pretty much in line with the fender. So this is what you call flush fitment. This is what it should look like for any car. And here's what it looks like in the front wheel. As you can see, it's flush with the fender as well. It looks fitted. It looks like it's meant for the car. We're now installing some matte carbon fiber fender covers. I personally like matte carbon. It's a lot sportier and it's almost a little bit more subtle.
That looks good. I like that. What do you think?
Fast, easy, simple. Looks good. What?
That's so clear. Look how crispy it is. And look at the shading. You can almost see little shading right there. It's amazing.
Actually, it's pretty nice.
I've never seen one that crispy.
Why do you keep saying crispy? Just say crisp. It's not freaking fried chicken. Bro, are you really sick?
Like, I'm actually sick. Like, I've been sick for like dead ass the last 2 days.
Oh my God.
Hell nah!
What are you doing here? Wait, I need the cross to protect me. The power of Christ compels you. I'm gonna have to ask you if you're experiencing these symptoms, because I think you have coronavirus.
Okay. If I have coronavirus, you're ready for it.
Are you experiencing fever?
I don't feel hot. I mean, I'm always hot though. Right?
Okay. Cough? I think you're coughing.
I'm not coughing.
Shortness of breath?
Hell no.
I have the perfect mask for you.
I think I'm gonna get one of the ones that Ted has.
This is legit. Off-white.
No, not even close to off-white.
Yeah, it is.
Look, one of the Aeros is bigger than the other.
Fuck you. I drew that by myself. Put it on. Another Model 3 and doing a chrome delete on this one, satin black, making it look super sporty because, see, the wheels are silver, right? It's gonna look weird with everything blacked out. So we actually have these super sporty Voss and HF5 wheels in gloss black ready to go for this exact Model 3. So once we're done with the chrome delete, we're gonna be putting these on. It's gonna look really cool. Everything's gonna be blacked out.
So you guys did a reaction to that.
Oh, the fight?
It's not a fight, it's a cat fight. They're all coming at each other like this.
I can assume that Raul is also sick too then.
It's not AIDS. It's not an STD.
Literally been on vacation.
How do you feel about that? He's probably getting some overseas right now. Are you like upset by that? What's it feel like to have coronavirus?
You know, one of those shit emojis that kind of come up like this? Yeah, you feel like that, but 10 times worse.
Quick little update on the Model X that we're wrapping satin guard. We're almost done. We still got some panels left in the back, but you can see the progress, and so far it looks good. Just got done coating this Tesla Model S, so let me show you what it looks like in the sun. So this ceramic coating package that we did on this Model S is our most popular one. Basically, it's 1 layer 9H and then 1 layer light. This is the minimum that we recommend if you really want to have that glossy pop to it. Especially on a black car, it makes the biggest difference. And as you guys can see, a chrome delete was also done on this car as well. And it works really well with the wheels too because the wheels are gunmetal. The coating makes it look really glossy. We have another Tesla Model 3 here that we're tinting the front windshield in a PhotoSync 70 right now. Perfect for summer and blocking out that coronavirus. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna keep on working on the Tesla projects. You wanna work on your car, so hit us up, assuming we're alive, not dying from coronavirus.
Wash your hands.
And remember, if you have the coronavirus, stay away from us. But the fun is at the end here, guys. I have this video that I think you might like, so I'll pop it up right here for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.
No! Let me go!